To access the Moodle platform, you would first need to log in to your Arian account. To do that, you enter the URL aeorion.ncu.edu.jm. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your ID number along with your password. Entering those, we can go ahead and click on the login button. That should direct you to your Arian dashboard. From there are a few options to take note of. First, you're on the home page, and on the home page, you will be seeing the degree program that you're enrolled in. You will be seeing your student email, you'll be seeing your ID number, and you will be seeing your name. You will also be seeing the program that you're enrolled in and your progress in that program. You will also be seeing your graduation readiness check, that is if you are a student enrolled in one of our full-time programs. And you will also be seeing your student status, that is your GPA. You can also view upcoming events along with your recent grades. To access the Moodle platform and your Moodle courses, you can go ahead and click on LMS, or you can click on Access All Courses. So if you click on Access All Courses, we should be seeing a list of all the courses that we are enrolled in. To access a course on the Moodle page, simply click on that course. That should bring you to the Moodle Learning Management System. From there, the first thing that you will be seeing is a welcome message and a course overview from your lecturer. Also, there are different resources on the Moodle page. There's the announcements or discussion forum. There's the attendance register. There's the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra link for you to join your live classes. There are Turnitin assignments and there are regular assignments. There are quizzes and there are different units. Under each unit, your lecturer will be posting different resources that will be helpful for your course. To access any resource or file, simply click on that file. For instance, I'm going to click on Unit 1 PowerPoint, and that should allow me to download the file to my computer. Now let us look on how we go about taking a quiz. So here we have quiz 1, and all quizzes carry this icon beside it. So to access that quiz, go ahead and click on quiz 1. Once there, it should give us a few details about this quiz. There we can see we're only allowed one attempt. We have a time limit of 20 minutes and the grade to pass is 7 points out of 10. We also see the opening and closing dates of that quiz. So to attempt that quiz, simply go ahead and click on Attempt Quiz Now. Then click on Start Attempt. Okay, so this brings us to our first question, which is a multiple choice question. So I'm choosing an option. After choosing an option, you can go ahead and click on next page to move on to the next question. And this is a true or false question. So we can go ahead and click on next page, or we can go over to quiz navigation and jump between questions. Now, if you realize that there's an issue with a question, you can always go ahead and click on flag this question, and your lecturer will get a notification that he or she needs to review that question. Oh, this says we should explain what a supercomputer is in less than 25 words. So there are some essay type questions that require you to have more than a certain number of words and less than a particular set or number of words. So if we try submitting this question, we should be getting an error that we need to have at least 25 words. Right, so this was our last question. So we can go ahead and click on finished attempt. From there, we are required to click on the submit all and finish button. Now we still have some time remaining, so we can always go ahead and return to attempt. So we're satisfied with our answers given, so we're going to click on submit all and finish. Right, and for some quizzes we can get an instant feedback. So now we're seeing the questions that would have gotten incorrect and the ones that we would have gotten correct. For quizzes that have essay type questions in them, your lecturer would need to review those questions and then mark that question whether correct or incorrect. So you may not get the full score at the end of a quiz. So click on finish review. And then we go back to the course. And that is how you go about taking a quiz on Moodle.